I was working on a previous project, but just to show you the whole process, I'm going to start from scratch as I typically do here. So we don't have anything, you just have your video editor. It's empty, you don't have sound, you don't have any narration or storyline or whatsoever. But you know you have to make this video, and you know you have to be out there, and you have to be fast out there. So you know you're going to make a video that is going to last, let's say, 10, 30, 1 minute, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15, you name it. In this case, let's make just a 10-second video here. So just drag the time marker that you have in your program to select the time frame, and go to your framework. In this case, let's go to the foundation of VideoStrap. Let's go to, let's go to the frames here, and I want to have an about frame. I want to have an bullet points, and I want them to call me, so I want to have a call number frame. I also want them to download or check a link or check a resource, so let's use a download action frame. I want them to email. You want people to email you too, so you use an email frame, email me frame. And if you want to show your location, just use the location frame, and that's it. Sorry, I want to continue this video, and I will return this call later. So let's use all these other files. You want to showcase a promotion, so just drop it here, and there you go. Just drag and drop everything, and here you can start editing. So this video was essentially to show you how the framework itself is conceptually useful. You have few frames that you organize in the sequence. So you have your sequence, you have your content framework as well, with some pre-written copy that you can edit, so it's not just fancy animations. And then if you want to add more of a visual or design touch, then you can go to the framework and check for the default backgrounds and use something. Let's use this one. Let's remove the sound of it, and we are gonna work in this process just in three main layers. You have the VideoStrap, which is almost the interface. Then you have a background video that is representative somehow, or is engaging, or is entertaining. And then you have an audio track here. So remember the rule of three here, 3 layers, and those layers are what we are composing right here. So let's just drop the sound layer. You can add any sound you want, of course. The foundation as well, if you want to play a little bit, it has some libraries. The basic one only gives you 1, but if the more advanced foundation stripe has tons of assets that you can download as well. So let's just get this going. We have our soundtrack. We are just going to slice it here, and let's just play it. I know we are beyond the timeline, but let's just play it. I am just going to cut it a little bit, so it takes only 10 seconds. And I'm going to organize the frames in the order I want. If if you want to have send us an email at the end, so just copy it and paste it at the end. At the beginning you might need something like the call now. You can go to the end as well. can swap all these backgrounds any way you want. Let's say if I go to the folder, I go to the backgrounds, and what if I want to use this other default background which comes with sound as well, and why not? Let's just play it here. You know, this might be interesting to use. Makes the video, this background makes the video look slick when it is interfaced with the video strap framework. There you go. So just to polish this a little bit more, I don't need them to call me, so I'm going to delete this. Maybe I don't need to tell them all these things. I just need to tell them what I do. You have to tell them what you do, and how they can contact you. So delete what you don't need. And that's it. There you have your micro ad. And right here you have a video that you can export, so you can just press make movie, save it whatever you want. Depending on the program you are using, you can export it as MPEG-4, AVI, or various formats. So I'm going to stop here, and we'll continue later with more techniques in rapid video production.